His team, his defense attorneys, asked for a mistrial because they said that after it was revealed in court yesterday, after they were speaking to an arson investigator, that the fingerprint. So you remember we had the conversation about there was fingerprints found on this bottle in the car when the cocktail was thrown and all those things, right? Allegedly. Well, they're trying to talk about the fingerprints that would have been if they were properly held all of this time from the alleged burglary that happened in Kid Cudi's home. So Kid Cudi says that, or alleges that Diddy went in his home. He, went through some of his Chanel Christmas gifts for family. He alleges that Diddy put his dog away in another room. And then he pulled up. Now, what is happening is yesterday on the stand, it was revealed that those records, those fingerprints from 2012, the evidence was destroyed, and they don't have it. It wasn't kept in a way where you could even look at it right now to be able to see if the fingerprints from that alleged burglary match anything near the fingerprints that were found in the car. There was an argument in general about the fingerprints in the car because, Diddy's team was saying, hey, look, I'm sorry, the prosecutors, the government was saying, look, we shouldn't even be able to talk about this because that bottle could have went through so many hands. We don't have a good expert to break down what this means. The person that we're talking to wasn't even a person who did the actual report on the fingerprints. Basically, it could mislead a jury. Diddy's team is like, no, DNA evidence that was found is what was found. And it allegedly pointed back to a woman. You can't even match that to anything in the home because there's no fingerprints whatsoever. So Diddy's team is saying, or they were trying to say, hey, look, the government knows that the fact that we don't have these fingerprints, the fact that you can't match it to, when you guys are trying to say that, our client Diddy did all of this, both the burglary and the car, because he's upset at Kid Cudi for dating Cassie allegedly, you can't connect it to. And knowing that's not fair to him because that actually could prove that he doesn't have anything to do with the one or the other. And y'all are not trying to have a conversation about that. So it's unfair. So this is a mistrial. The judge denied it. Of course. The judge denied it, was not having that.
They just try to throw anything against the wall to see what sticks, to see if they could possibly get a mistrial. They'll try again, I'm sure, but no.
It's reeking of desperation at this point.
Oh yeah, you fighting for your life after that Capricorn Clark testimony. You definitely fighting for your life after that.